So firstly, before starting this, you will need to know exactly what you want to create. Now in my case, I want to create motivational quotes for my Instagram page. So you should write a detailed description of what exactly you want. So let me give an example what I have written over here. Now, I want 30 motivational quotes about success in life and business. And I have also described in what type of format I want the quotes. As you can see, I want them in column and in number sequence. And I've also described exactly in what column what exactly should be, as you can see right over here. So you have to also do this in a very detailed manner. And by doing this, you will create multiple posts using this method. Now, we will be using ChatGPT and Canva combined to create Instagram post. Now, just simply hit enter and wait for the ChatGPT to respond. Now, once you have your entire list over here, all you have to do is just simply copy it and paste the entire data right over here. Then just simply align the size. Then just simply fix the list. So after the list is ready, just simply save this file as CSV. So go to the save as section, choose a location, then name the file, then go to save as type and choose CSV right over here. Then click on save. Now once the file is saved, go back to Canva and then this will create an Instagram post by clicking on this option and then choose the post size. Now just simply add a blank canvas, like for example this one. Now just simply remove all the information on top of the canvas. Then go to the text option and add subheadings. So I'm going to add a subheading for the main body and then the small headings for the author. Now depending on the size of your post, just arrange this accordingly. Now after that, what you have to do is just click on bulk create on the left hand side panel over here. And if you're unable to see this option, go to apps and then just simply search for bulk create. Then hit enter and you should be able to see this. Click on this option. Then click on upload CSV. Then just simply upload the data. Click on open. Now after that, you will find 3 variables over here. Now what you have to do is you have to connect them with the variables over here. Let me give you an example. All you have to do is right click on the text, then go to connect data and then just simply choose the data that you want to connect. Like for example, my quotes are going to be at the top of here. So firstly, I'm going to connect this with my quotes, and the moment you will see the brackets option, that means it is now connected. And lastly, for the author, I will choose the bottom portion and I will choose author, and now they will be connected over here as well. Now after that, all you have to do is click on continue and then over here just simply see if all are selected or not, as you can see right over here. And then just simply click on generate 30 designs. Now it might take some time, so be patient and wait for it to complete. So as you can see, they are all created and in the style that I also wanted, as you can see right over here. So that's one way of creating Instagram post using ChatGPT. So if you would like to get the subscription for ChatGPT, you can get the link in the description box below. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.